From a physics perspective, it's called frequency. How we interpret sound, we call it pitch.
You have any questions for me, or?
How long have you been sharing your philosophies with the community, and what inspired you to do that?
Well, I'm a research scientist, and I got into music inadvertently. I was lecturing on physics, on the physics of sound.
I discuss light and the electromagnetic spectrum. I would much rather discuss quantum electrodynamics, the relationship between photons and electrons. When you study quantum electrodynamics, the relationship between electrons and photons, what you see is something extraordinary. You see a lot of sociology. You see a lot of sociology. Energy, subatomic particles cancel each other out, and it's based on energy level.
Good ask question. Keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like